So all of you, very good morning to one and all. And those students who entered late, kindly enter in the class at proper time, please. Because of you, we get very late. Syllabus over, done. Yesterday there was a test of chapter from this chapter, trade to territory, from trade to territory. I hope all of you have attempted the test honestly. Those who attempted the test honestly, just raise your hand like this. Those who attempted, है ना? मैंने ये देखना है, if your hands are not raised, it means okay. So number of students. Oh, really? That's really cool. Good. Keep it up. Okay. Abhi hum will discuss the questions, and from that questions, you people can assign marks to yourself. But some marks you have to assign for your handwriting also. If it is really good, you can give you full mark. If you think no, some problem is there in your handwriting, something is not underlined, some headings are missing, because when I'll check your paper in the exam, automatically I'll delete your marks if it is not up to my standard. So what is my standard? You don't know. I mean, you don't have to. I don't have to tell you. Already I have taught you. You know it very well. What I every time I need proper points. I need proper heading. I need subheading, I need underlining of the main points. And above all, I need proper answer. Hana? So, proceeding with the questions. This paper was of 10 marks. Chapter was from trade to territory. So first of all, for questions only for questions, I'm coming to Akul. Akul. Only for questions.
Yes. Ma'am, question 1, define the following term. Number 1, musket.
Musket. Raise your hand, those who know the answer. Musket. Yes, Arish. Arish.
Yes, ma'am. Musket is a heavy gun which is used by the soldiers who fight on the ground.
A heavy gun used by the soldiers whenever there is a fight. Right.
Which
Okay.
fight on ground.
Ha. That
Yes,
is of
ma'am.
1 mark or 2 mark?
Ma'am, 1 mark.
1
One
mark.
mark.
1 mark.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
muskets are the big guns that are क्या कहते हैं उसको?
Lavish
मैम
Ohri, Lavish Ohri,
मैम
I am happy your laptop is back, but your laptop is not so excited to give me answer without taking the name of Lavish Ohri. I have
ठीक है.
I have to take your name. Then you have to speak. I
मैम
always say,
फाइट
हाँ
की
जी,
जगह बेटर लिख सकते हैं ना?
लिख सकते
मैम
हो.
ठीक.
Okay.
मैम यस.
Roll number 8, Lavish Ohri, speak up the answer.
मैम 20 रोल नंबर है, 8th भी क्लास लिखी थी.
हाँ जी, write down your roll number 20 then. Okay, otherwise आपकी attendance proper, there would be a problem. Yes, Lavish.
मैम
Answer बच्चे.
muskets are the big heavy guns used by the soldier whenever battle is held.
Okay. 1 mark, full flash. Coming to Nandini. Yes, Nandini. Yes, Nandini. Answer बच्चे. Nandini, answer. She's lost. She's talking to someone. Okay. Coming to Gurdit. Yes, Gurdit. Answer बच्चे. Gurdit, roll number 18.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, answer.
Ma'am, which question? Ma'am, first, ma'am, musket or matchlocks?
I don't know. You were
Ma'am,
in the class?
ma'am, yes, ma'am,
Then?
muskets अभी हो रहा था, ma'am, discuss. Ma'am, उसका ही आंसर बोल दो. Muskets are the heavy guns which are used by the soldiers during the battle. they are very powerful.
Okay. So 1 mark. So those who have written this answer, that gun power, very powerful, used in the battle, you people can assign 1 out of 1 if there is no mistake, if your handwriting is up to mark, if you have written without any cutting, presentable answer, 1. Otherwise, put half. Akul, second question, my dear.
Ma'am, match law.
What are match law? What is match law? है ना? This is the question. Taranya, yes, बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am. It
Yes,
was
ma'am.
a type of gun which is used in the early period by Britishers in their wars. In their gun, the powder was ignited by a match.
Perfect. Sanvi, same question.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, beta.
It is an early type of a gun in which the powder was burned by a match.
By a match. And it was used by whom?
Britishers in the wars.
In the war. Full marks. 1 mark? 1 out
Yes,
of 1.
ma'am.
1 out of 1. Good. Those who have written answer in this way, definitely they'll score 1 mark. Full-fledged 1 mark. Coming to third question, Akul.
Ma'am, Mufti.
Muftis. Who were muftis? And for this, I am coming to Suruchi Dabra. Suruchi. Suruchi Dabra. Arshpreet, roll number 1.
Excuse me, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, beta.
Ma'am, the answer is, ma'am, the Muslim legal expert who is
Muslim?
empowered to give rulings.
Repeat
Legal
करना.
expert.
A religious expert who has a part to
Expert. Ma'am, who is empowered to give rulings.
who is
on
empowered to give
religious
rulings.
matters.
Okay. Done, beta. Good. Coming to Madhav
ma'am.
Kapoor. Madhav Kapoor. Roll number 22. Madhav Kapoor. Answer, बच्चे. No answer. Okay. Coming to Akul.
Ma'am, yes. A jurist of the community.
Jurist of the
Muslim community.
Muslim community. Even Ashpreet, your answer was right. Akul, your answer is to the point, appropriate. Jurist of the Muslim community. Jurist means
Ma'am.
judgment. The person who make judgment. That is known as jurist. Right. Yes. Coming to the next question, Akul.
Ma'am, I want to ask this one thing in this question. मेरा second point मैंने लिखा है that this mufti was under Ghazi.
Right. Not wrong. Right. ठीक है. Yes, Akul. Next question, beta.
And second question, write a detailed note on doctrine of labs.
Doctrine of labs. Right. Detail note. How many marks?
Ma'am, 3 marks.
3. 3 marks.
Ma'am, 4 marks.
4 marks.
Ma'am,
4 marks का answer will ask from Harman. 4 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything you have to explain, huh? Okay, speak up.
Doctrine was of labs was a rule given by the Britishers when they were
Policy. Policy given.
when they started ruling indirectly all over whole India. Doctrine of in this policy, the king or queen which has no successor can't rule and his or her territory would directly be taken by the Britishers. It was given by Lord Dalhousie and I'm till there.
Okay. Harman, some mistakes I got from your answer. कोई बात नहीं, अभी we'll rectify those mistakes so that we should not suffer during exams, है ना? So let's find out answer from Taranya. Taranya की turn I guess हो गई है ना? अभिषेक
मैम आपकी आवाज अच्छी तरह नहीं आ रही मैम.
Okay. Abhishek, answer बेटा.
Laptop sound is. Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Okay, Lavesh, your voice is very much distorted to me. Okay, coming to now someone
Ma'am, your
else.
voice is also not clear.
Tit for tat.
मैम buffering है मैम.
मैम
Yes,
आपकी
हाँ,
वॉइस बफर हो रही है बीच
मैम
बीच
नो ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप ना हवा में बोल रहे हो.
में. हवा में बोल रहे हैं.
even I'm getting very distorted voices from all of you. So maybe some technical issues everywhere, maybe. But my voice is really good. Okay, so maybe just joking. Okay, coming to Janvi Sharma. Yes, Janvi, answer beta.
Ma'am, kindly check your headphone.
Is everything is okay from my side? Kindly check your headphone. Husband?
मैम नो मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
मैम आपकी वॉइस ऐसे लग रही है जैसे रोबोट हो.
So I'm no
Ma'am,
less
there is a problem.
I'm no
मैम
less
आपकी
than less than a robot. Huh?
Ma'am, now
To yeah. Jasmine. No answer. Gurdeep. Yeah, Gurdeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Gurdeep.
Ma'am, the doctrine of labs.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the doctrines are
Doctrine.
of lab of the lab was and policy applied by the Britishers
Hmm.
or Britishers in 1859. The policies are most commonly in the associated with the law. The
Okay. Coming to Arish. वो बहुत फेस बना रहा है. Gurdeep, hold on. Coming to Arish. उसको लग रहा है कि why it's like this. Yes, Arish, pick up your answer. And if it won't
Doctrine
be,
of labs.
if it won't be good, I'm going to kill you there only. Yes. Yes, pick up beta.
Doctrine of lapse is a policy which was made by Britishers by Lord Dalhousie, who was the Governor General at that time.
Perfect.
In this policy,
Perfect.
in this policy, it was stated that a ruler which had no or had no child could not rule the place,
Own
and
child.
that
Own child. Having their own
and
child.
that place would be directly under the Britishers.
Hmm.
And this policy had led to many revolts, and there is a very famous revolt of 1857 in which this battle was fought against Britishers by Jhansi in 1857, and this doctrine of lapse policy. 3 points.
Okay. Answer is right. Starting was extremely good, but बीच में थोड़ा सा भटक गए. Otherwise, good. Good. Anyone else want to conclude? Otherwise, I'll conclude.
Ma'am, I would like to answer this one.
Okay, sure.
Ma'am, I want.
Okay, first boy, Akul. Yes.
Ma'am, doctrine of lapse was another policy of Britishers after subsidiary alliance. Lord Dalhousie implemented this policy which said any emperor or empress without any natural heir, they would not have the right on their kingdom. Their kingdom would become a part of British Empire. There are many kingdoms which became a part of British Empire. Under this policy, the prominent example is of Jhansi, ruled by Queen of Jhansi. She didn't have any natural heir, and Jhansi was also submerged in British Empire.
Irish, the last point, whatever you have spoken, whatever Akul has given, both are same. But the way he has presented last few points about Rani Jhansi and all that, that was really good. Okay? So answer is correct. Akul would give full mark. I'll give full marks to Akul and even full marks to Arish. But sirf answer, how to present the answer, that matters. है ना? एक add line I have told you when we discuss this chapter, that the pension of Nana Sahib, it got discontinued because he was not the natural successor. This line I gave to you, remember? ये बताई थी मैंने लाइन, है ना? तो जो
Yes,
नाना
ma'am.
साहब is one of the ministers at that time. Even he was aged person, तो उसकी जो pension थी वो उसको, because he was the son of adopted child undoubtedly, but Britishers ने क्या किया? They stopped the pension of Nana Sahib also, just because he was not the natural heir. Got it? So whatever lecture is given by the teacher, Sameer, sit properly. So all this answer, same doctrine of lapse. First of all, Lord Dalhousie done. Natural hire, if we don't have the king or emperor, empress doesn't have, so would be handled by or snatched by or confiscated by Britishers. So this happened with Rani Jhansi. And Erish, the point given by you that in 1857 revolt, 1857 revolt was not actually done by these persons, but these persons contributed a lot in 1857 revolt. They were the one prominent category, those who entered in this battle along with the army, and they fought against the Britishers. Got it बेटा? तो वो पॉइंट सही है, लेकिन इसको लिखना कैसे, दैट मैटर्स. ये नहीं था उनकी वजह से हुई थी, पर ये थी they were also one of the वजह, they were also one of the reasons for this battle, first battle of Indian independence. Done, बच्चे? So 3.5 out of 4. पेशवा वाली line आप you people haven't mentioned, है ना? Okay, Akul, next question बेटा.
Who was Tiger of Mysore? Why?
I would love to listen this answer from Anjani, because this was a question yesterday, doubt asked by her. So if she is here, Anjani, if she is here, okay, Anjani, let's find out. She is here. Ananya is saying yes, ma'am, she is here. फंसाते हैं उसको.
No, she is not
She is not here. She is not here. She was trying to enter, I guess. उसका नहीं हुआ होगा. Okay, no problem. There is Harman Pal Singh. Yes, Harman.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Tiger of Mysore was Tipu Sultan. He was called Tiger of Mysore because he killed a tiger by his own, without any help of other. His father was Hyder Ali, and they had a fight with Britishers, and British wanted to capture their area because that area was special for spices like pepper, cardamom, and but in this battle, Tipu Sultan took help from the French people because they also wanted to take revenge from the Britishers, as they were not able to do trade with India. And and in this there were 3 battles fought by them, but in the last battle of Srangapatnam, Tipu Sultan was killed.
Right. Harman, पता क्या? Whatever answer you have given to me to indicate you listen yesterday's revision very thoroughly. You were very attentive, though you are always attentive. Really good. But whatever we revised yesterday, the same point you have spoken, 100% correct. Good. Coming to Anjani, she has entered in the class. Anjani, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
तेरा पीछा ना मैं छोड़ूंगी अंजनी. Okay, Anjani, yesterday there was one question which we discussed in the class, and luckily the same question was in the test also. That is about Mysore, है ना? War of in
Yes.
South India, है ना? So you have to give me the answer of that question.
Okay, ma'am.
So I
Tipu Sultan
really want to see, have you scored full marks or some of the marks I'll keep with myself? Yes, Anjani.
Tipu Sultan was the person who was successful in getting the title of Tiger of Mysore. The land of Mysore had grown in strength with 2 very famous and powerful rulers, Hyder Ali and his son Tipu Sultan. Mysore was very famous for spices like sandalwood, pepper, etc., due to which Britishers also want to control Mysore and take the profit of Mysore rich spices. But Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali don't want to do any trade with Britishers or join any other relation with the Britishers. This attitude of Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali made the Britishers angry and made their desire strong to control Mysore. Due to this, there was a war between Tipu Sultan and Britishers. Tipu Sultan also took help of French to defeat Britishers, as French were very rich in the weapons used in the sea attack, but still Britishers won the battle and captured Mysore, and Tipu Sultan died.
How many battles took place between these Mysore kings and the Britishers? That's not mentioned.
Ma'am, 4.
No, I'm asking from this girl, Anjani.
4.
4. And in which battle Tipu Sultan died and where he died?
Last battle.
Where? Sringapatnam. Anjali, everything is correct. Perfectly started with the answer. Everything was moved on very good. But few 1 or 2 points, that is 4 battles took place. The last battle, Sringapatnam, which took place, this Tipu Sultan died, and after the death of this person, this area also came under Britishers. So, जब भी बच्चे, this is for every one of you, not for Anjali only. Whenever we have to say something about any battle, maybe Battle of Palasi, maybe Battle of Buxar, maybe battle between Marathas and Britishers, yeah, Britishers and Mysore kings. We have to tell the reason why, when, where, result. Why, क्यों हुई, where it happened, why it happened, where it happened, when it happened, and what was the result. ये 4 चीजें हम जब हम करेंगे, then only answer would be complete. कोई भी लड़ाई होती, there's some reason behind it. We should know the reason. फिर किस किस में हुई, we should know about it. फिर कब हुई, फिर कौन जीता कौन हारा, है ना? So this all we should know. So Anjani, I have deleted 1 mark from your answer. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो बहुत मेजर पॉइंट था. Before battles and in last battle he died. He was killed by the opponents. Okay. Okay, coming to the next question. Nanya, yeah, I want to give answer of this question. Yeah, sure, बच्चे. बोलो.
यस मैम, मैंने हेडिंग्स बना के लिखा है इसलिए मैंने
Oh, love it, love it, love it. I love, really love heading and subheading and underlining. It made me crazy. Yes, pick up.
थैंक यू
Disturb, Ananya, who is
इंट्रोडक्शन
what disturbance? So much disturbance. Mixi is going on घर में, kitchen में काम चल रहा है. Huh? Something is there, है ना? So we can't stop them. We can't stop the members of the family to don't do work. If you can manage, it's okay. If you can't, no problem. We'll proceed with the next child. Okay. Proceed करूं? Okay. So,
यस
okay. Okay, next question. Akul.
Ma'am, no
Ma'am,
one has
ended.
the-
Ma'am, please
Ended.
continue.
Okay.
I'm ended.
How many of you scored 10 out of 10? None. None? Or any, Adish, how much you scored?
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बच्चे.
मैम
Ma'am, I
जो
want
मैंने
to add
लास्ट
one
आंसर
more point in last question, that the fight between Britishers and Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali happened because in 1785 Tipu Sultan stopped the export of spices like cardamom and sandalwood.
Right point, perfect point. You can add it. All of you rather add it. Good point. तभी तो पंगा शुरू हुआ when they stopped the trade of British commodities. When they stopped, कि Britishers can't enter in their area. They can't do trade with them. तभी तो फिर start हो गया. Britishers were thinking they will do trade, they will earn money, but they stopped their entry even. तो सारी गड़बड़ी शुरू होगी वहां पे. Okay. Anything else you want to add? Someone, one more child was speaking something.
मैम मैम आई वांट टू आस्क दैट मैम जो मैंने लास्ट आंसर बोला था मैम उसमें मेरे कितने मार्क्स बनते हैं?
उसमें से मैंने कुछ something I pointed you out at that time.
मैम नहीं मैम.
नहीं? Have you written all the points? For battle, end, why it happened, where
ma'am.
it happened, when it happened,
Yes.
what was the result? तो फिर ठीक है, full marks. Headings are there like Ananya has made.
नहीं मैम हेडिंग्स नहीं बनाई.
So half
मैम
ना
अगली बार बना लूंगा.
half marks, so definitely I'll delete, है ना? So good.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Those who participated in the class discussion of all these questions and all that, 101% they have learned something from it for the exam, from the PT exam point of view. And those who have not responded, that is, we can say their loss. Their loss. We are supposed to be attentive. We are supposed to take part in the discussion. We are supposed to give our answer. We are supposed to ask question because we are here to learn. हम learn करने के लिए बैठ. I am learning something from you. You are learning something from me. You are learning your subject from me, and I am learning something, say technical things from you. So learning it, ये interaction should go on. ये तभी होगा if both of us are interactive. अगर एक active है दूसरा passively बैठा हुआ है, then we can't learn. Then there is no fun of sitting in front
मैम
of your laptop.
इंटरेक्शन के कारण ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज बन जाते हैं हम.
Perfect, perfect. इंटरेक्शन के कारण ही ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज बनते हैं. एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, आई एम नॉट फोर्सिंग यू पीपल, दैट बेटर यू स्विच ऑन योर वीडियो. पता क्या होता है, लाइक एरिश आई कैन सी, Akul I can see, Harman, Ananya I can see every day, Sameer sometime I can see, though is always in a this posture is not so up to mark, as he's all on a bed and all that. Nandini is sometime I can see her. So whenever videos are on, we fetch each other's attention, and this is always good. जब भी हम एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली